Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change TikTok username before 30 days. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of ways how to do this, so I'll just run through the first way. So the first trick is to manually adjust your device date. So go to your device time and date. So I'm going to jump back to my settings here. Now I'm going to click into date and time. So it's in general management, so date and time. Now for me to click on the date and time, and where it says automatic date and time, I'm going to disable this, and now I'm going to set the date to 30 days or 31 days into the future, and then go to TikTok and try and change your name. Okay, the next method is contacting TikTok support. So we need to go to our profile inside TikTok. Then once we're inside our profile, click on the three horizontal bars. Then from here, click in the settings and privacy. From here, we want to look for report a problem. So click on report a problem and then choose account and profile. And then from here, click onto editing profile. And then where it says unable to change username, click into that. Scroll down. And if it says, is your problem resolved, go ahead and click on no. Click on need more help. Then from here, just talk to TikTok support and let them know the situation that you'd like to change your name. There's no guaranteed that contacting them and changing your name for 30 days could work, but depending who you've got on the other end of TikTok support, they might be kind enough to let you do that. So say if you've waited 25 days, you got 5 days left, they might be able to change your name for you. And now the third way would just be alternatively start a new account. So if you need to use a different username immediately and don't want to wait, just create a new TikTok account is probably the simplest approach, and then back up any content or followers if needed, and hopefully this solves your problem.